Welcome back to the Pigeon Forge. Today I'm making an EDC knife, or everyday carry knife, and thank you to Green Beetle for suggesting this video. Hope you enjoy. I'm going to start by thinning out the bar. I'm using the power hammer to thin down the edge. And it's also widening out the blade. I couldn't find the video of me pounding in the tip. Now I'm pounding in my handle, just thinning out the bar so that I can have a good handle. Now I'm grinding my bevels in. I couldn't find a lot of my footage. Like when I initially ground in like my profile and most of my bevels, like this is all I could find. Now I'm clenching. I chose this pair of walnut scales, and after I drilled my holes I put some pins in it to connect them, and I'm grinding in this curve to make it look better. Now I'm grinding it down to my tang. Now I am applying my finishing oil. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram, which is Max Rangu. And if you want to buy a knife, go to pigeonknives.com. And tell me what you want me to make next. I will probably make it. But yeah, till next time, bye.